How long will it take to develop your project? At ProCoders, we estimate this during our discovery phase, which is crucial for providing a realistic timeline. Let's walk through how we count development time based on our experience. First, we begin by understanding your project goals and requirements. This typically takes 1 to 2 weeks. We hold workshops, meet with stakeholders, and create detailed specifications of the features you need. Next, we develop the technical documentation and architecture of the project. For mid-sized apps, this can take up to 3 weeks. If the project is highly complex, it may extend to 4 to 6 weeks, especially if you're building a platform with advanced features like real-time data processing, AI integration, or a complex API ecosystem. As a result, after the discovery phase, you get a development plan divided into phases, each with specific timelines, budgets, and team compositions. This approach allows you to receive the product iteratively, with the flexibility to make adjustments at every stage. Once the scope is defined, we move to creating a timeline based on 3 factors. 1. The complexity of the features. For simple MVPs with core functionality, development takes between 1 to 4 months. For more advanced platforms with complex integrations, expect 3 to 7 months or longer. 2. The technology stack. Front-end frameworks like React or Angular, coupled with back-end environments like Node.js or Python, can impact timelines. For example, choosing the right tech stack for a specific product can help optimize development time by 10 to 20% compared to working with less familiar or more experimental technologies. Third, team size. A typical development team consists of 4 to 6 developers, with support from designers, QA engineers, and project managers. Each additional team member can reduce the timeline by up to 15%, but that also depends on efficient team coordination. Let's break down the project stages further. Planning and design typically takes 2 weeks. This stage involves wireframing, UI/UX design, and finalizing the visual elements of the app. Development. This is the longest phase, with timeframes varying widely depending on complexity. Mid-size apps take around 1 to 4 months, while enterprise-level systems can take anywhere from 3 to 7 months. Testing. Testing is crucial to ensure your app runs smoothly. This usually requires 3 to 5 weeks, with 1 to 2 weeks for bug fixing and polishing. Additionally, if you're launching in multiple phases with each phase taking about 4 weeks, this adds further time to your development cycle. At ProCoders, we've been fine-tuning our discovery phase for 10 years. It gives us a precise understanding of how long your project will take, minimizing surprises later on. Ready to start? Contact ProCoders today, and let's begin the phase to count your project's development timeline together.